Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We got pretty good news originally from Cointelegraph, but we did some research ourselves, and that Bitcoin money is slowly but surely flowing into altcoins. So flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins, not the other way around like during the bear market. And we can actually check that Korea is actually leading the charge. Now, they've actually been pumping XRP for like dumping massive amounts of volume into XRP for like the last week. You can see Upbit, this is Upbit. This is Korea's biggest exchange. You can see XRP volumes at 3.7 billion. It looks pretty similar on other Korean exchanges as well. But this is just the biggest one. And then it's like 4 times Bitcoin volume on Upbit. That's where the XRP price increase is coming from. It's basically all coming from Korea. It is like 2017 where they actually pumped up XRP. And the price in Korea is actually $2.05, which is much higher than the price elsewhere. But aside from that, you can actually look at what other coins that they are pumping or planning to pump. Like no one knows the hell Thundercoin actually is, but they're pumping it. Thundercoin KRW. And it's 3.1 cents in Korea. It's probably lower elsewhere. I don't really know what Thundercoin is, but if it's not already pumping, it's going to pump soon. It looks like they may be planning to pump EOS, but EOS has always been like, a top 20 coin. So that may not be like an indication. Bitcoin Gold, they were pumping a while back. It still has high volume. They still might pump it again. Stellar always pumps with XRP. So you can see that. But Stellar is also like a top 20 coin. So that's not like ridiculous volume right there. But like Thundercoin is one that you definitely need to like look at right now if you're interested in like which coins are they pumping. Also things like Strike, Bitcoin Gold, Chillaz. But for things like, Tron and, like Tron and Cardano, like they're kind of like at what their position is at other places. Same thing with VeChain. So Korea is not really pumping these because they're very, very similar to where they are at other exchanges. But like XRP's volume is obviously the biggest outlier because they're just dumping billions of dollars or like wash trading and dumping billions of dollars into XRP to actually pump it up. But Thundercoin is definitely one you need to look at and others. But this all points to the fact that they're actually draining money out of Bitcoin. As you can see, like Bitcoin's only $832 million, and a lot of these other coins are actually pretty close that aren't actually Bitcoin. So Korea always is kind of like the first one to lead the way, and then the rest of everyone else actually like sort of follows as they see the Korean FOMO. So they'll probably start dropping out of like they pump coins for a while, and then like they move on to other coins that aren't pumped because they can actually make money from them easier. So definitely like look at Thunder Token right now, and if a coin is shooting up the charts on Upbit or like BitThumb or BuyThumb or BitThumb or whatever you call it, then you know that they're pumping it right now or are planning to pump it. So that's kind of how you can tell like which coins the Koreans are about to pump. If you see ICX suddenly rising up the charts, that means they're either going to pump it or probably going or are already pumping it. So like you basically want to look at coins that have abnormal amounts of volume for where they are on other exchanges. And then you can kind of get a lead time of like which coins are actually going to pump. Obviously, I don't really have any insider information. I don't really know which coins are going to pump. But Korea is generally like the leader in terms of like pump and dump, and then other things actually follow. Remember like when ICX went up like at the beginning of last year, it was all Korean traffic as well. So look it up, study it very carefully if you want to like get the scoop on what they're going to pump. But for sure, Bitcoin money is flowing into altcoins. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.